Hi guys, this is LT Survival. It's Sunday morning. I decided to do an impromptu video, so I'm holding the cellular into my hand, so I might be shaky. I'll try to keep it short. Over Christmas, so those that follow me on Instagram, I've received a storage for my knife, and since I do have many now, many. I've started to put them into the storage. So give you a quick look. It's a Stanley toolbox with on the side here some hooks to put the larger blades. All my fixed blades are here almost, and the top like a garage mechanics toolbox. Well, I have either my vintage, my old stuff, and my more like karambits, the sheets for the different knife, and my old one, which I keep there because it's basically a retirement for these ones, not for that one. So, and I have my son's folder that I have to sharpen. In here I have smaller ones. So as you can see, lots of Ganzos, my old crappy one, my Swiss knife, Spydercos, and the Kershaws, and my real Spyderco. I should put both Spyderco together. And the Lansky crappy one. Well, crappy is sharp, but it's not a high quality knife. So let me turn around the camera if I can. Can I? No, I can't. So here I have, oh yeah, Tekut Zero, which is a nice knife. Awesome. So this is one drawer. There's many more. Morganzo, I've started to organize all the carbon fibers. Will be here. That's the, I don't even remember the numbers, the 724. This one I like a lot. 728, that's the one that's assisted from Ganzo. I've got the Lands, the 4 type. I got 4. The 2 full steel and the other one with G10s. I've got the 729. I got the 729 coming with the carbon fiber. Now we go in the non-review knife. So some of them has not been reviewed, and you'll see there's a drawer full. Yeah, not that much. I've got a second drawer full. This one is a more new stuff. Got the brand spanking new cold steel. First cold steel I've ordered because it was not expensive, and it's the Canadian belt knife. So I wanted the knife for a long time, the shape mainly, because that's a knife issued in the Canadian Forces, and I wanted to make it. And that's the last drawer. Full of Ganzo and Hearns and Y-Start, so I have to start reviewing again some knife. I post a lot of pictures, so the collection has grown to almost 120 some knife. There's still some coming of those, so when you start doing something for a lot of times, you accumulate fast. So I needed a storage. So the toolbox is here. That's the box for the cold steel. I have my tools. I've got my spare part thing, oil, Q-tips, strop, the compound, my sharpening stuff is at the apartment in Montreal. It's gonna come in here somewhere. Underneath I have my camera, and for the moment that's all I have in that. So it's a work in progress. Eventually all the box will be removed and the knife will be put into the storage. So thanks for watching. hopefully I'm gonna get into making more video. I'm making impromptu video more like that more often to keep the chain rolling, the channel rolling. It's not that I didn't want to make video, it's the time I didn't have. So hope you enjoy a small overview, small update on the knife collection and the storage. This is Healthy Survival. We'll see you back in the next video.